This is part 2 of importing data for the technical audit in Data Studio. So we're going to go down to the search results visibility, and then we can select each data point by pressing Shift and selecting so that we don't have to do it individually. Go over to the data source, add data. And we're going to pull this from the SEMrush domain analytics. Great. The report type is going to be domain history. You can select next. The dropdown for database will be United States, making sure to check allow database to be modified in reports. We'll input the domain domain name. Checking that checkbox again, add and allow. Okay, and then we'll want to go ahead and check change the name of that data source. So we'll do the company's name, Denali Adventure Tours, and then domain history. That way, when we check our data sources for each data point, we'll know whether it's the correct one or not. So if we click on every single one, Denali Adventure, good, Denali Adventure, and Denali Adventure. Perfect. So we'll want to make sure that when we click on each data point, that it does have a date range dimension as date. Okay. So we'll click on each one. This one does not, so we'll add that in there. Okay, perfect. So now we've checked every single one of the data pieces. And then last but not least, we're going to want to make sure that each data piece that there is under the metric, it's organic keyword. So under here, so under data setup, metric, organic keyword. So let's just make sure that there's that underneath every single data point. Perfect. Okay, so we just did part 2 of the technical audit for Data Studio.